Hey guys, many of you have been asking me for a video tutorial on how to upload your learning from last week onto Google Classroom. So here we go, let's go. So now that we are in our home page where you can see the classwork, and if you just click on classwork up there, you'll be able to see it. Anything that you wanted to upload from last week in our first week of homeschool learning, what you need to do is just click View Assignment. And up here it says your work, add or create or hand in. Now if you click on that, it will take you to a Google Docs page where you have already got a PowerPoint which I've made for you, or started for you, obviously not done a lot, but started for you so that you can upload your learning. If you then add on a new slide and just import the image like you would do on a normal PowerPoint, done. Now the best thing that I love about this is that you don't need to save anything, you don't need to do anything. All you need to do is click off when you're done and then hand in. And it's as simple as that. Now you're going to try.